Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Wednesday and we are waiting for CPI. And here we can see the forecast here. It seems like the actual will be going a little bit lower, or let's say unchanged. But I see CPI year over year. It seems like it's going to go a little bit lower from 2.9. The forecast or the estimate, it says 2.5. So the overall analysis or estimate from my side, I think we might not really have any aggressive change here, but there is a possibility for these actuals to go a little bit lower, and that will help Federal Reserve to cut the rate. And later, tomorrow, we are going to have interest rates from Europe, PPI tomorrow from the US. So, yeah, this week, I think from today, it's where we're going to start to see the market moving, because yesterday the market was not really moving that much, you see. So with that, I think it's going to be enough for that. So now let's go on our analysis. As you know, I will have to start with dollar index. So since dollar index is still on this nice downtrend structure, but we still need to see the market going even lower. We're still waiting for another push. I think today maybe there is that possibility. When we have that CPI, maybe we will see the market going even lower. We left with maybe, let's say, less than 3 hours before CPI. And where we are, we can easily see that we are still on that downtrend, especially here. We still on that very we are still closer to this resistance, so maybe the market will be going lower later on. But I think anything is going to be possible. At this time, I'm just going to wait and see. I'm just going to wait for the figures to be released before I act, because I think at the moment I will be guessing. At the moment, I will be guessing if I say I will just buy or sell. But I think there is a possibility for CPI to go a little bit lower, especially when we actually gathered almost 10 events. All of them, they've been cooling down, most of them. We saw NFP, we saw other ones. So I think we will see also CPI going a little bit lower, and that will be good, because I think next week or next week, let me check. Oh, I think it's next week. If not, maybe it's the other week. We are going to have FOMC rates decision. So which means it's that day where they will be cutting the rates. But at the moment, it seems like they will be cutting with 25 basis points, not 50, because if they cut with 50, that will show the panic, because this is quite aggressive. It will be sort of an aggressive. But according to the economic news that we received, it's not going to be aggressive. I can say they are a little bit late, but just because they don't really want everyone to panic, I think they will go a little bit slower. Gbpusd still on that nice uptrend structure. We still expect the market to go even higher, but the market did reverse. I'm expecting to see the nice push to the upside. I like the fact that the market is on the lowest level. If maybe US CPI is going to be quite lower, it means here we can have a nice bullish reversal very quick, very quick. So that will be actually good, because that will make GBP quite stronger. But we don't really have to over risk because of only one event. Whatever that you can make today, you can still make that with 2 days, 3 days. So yeah, risking with the news, that sometimes sounds good because you just make quick cash very quick, but it's not sustainable. It's easier to lose, you see. So sometimes let's just go slower, and as long as we can easily come back tomorrow and trade again, that will be much better, you see. So yeah, I'm still expecting to see the market respecting this level and then going even higher. So let's push to the next one, guys. We still have that special that will actually end this Sunday or this weekend, and that special is there. You can pause that. It's 25 for lifetime VIP signals. So for those who wants to be part of the team, let me know, guys. You can join the team while the prices are still quite lower. So if you miss this, just know that these prices are going to go back on $150. So here you pay once, then you're done. So now on gold, what's really happening from a bigger time frame like this, you can see that, yeah, the market has been actually trying to push the upside, but where we are, we can easily see that the market, it's actually on a very stronger resistance. Maybe the market will be reversing, or maybe according to CPI, we don't know what the number are going to be, but maybe the market will end up breaking out of that resistance. So at the moment, we have something like this. If we have a breakout, that will be actually aggressive, but anything is it's possible. So at the moment, I won't do much. I will just wait. I hope maybe the market will be around this level so that we can have a proper buy. But even if maybe the market breaks out here, that will also be good because we understand what's really happening. I'm still expecting to see the market pushing even higher, but I will have to wait for the market to break out. Maybe the market will break out quite similar to here. You can see we had a support there. The market might break out there with aggressive push. Then yeah, we can have some very nice bullish moves, but the overall structure is still a nice bullish structure. So which means a smaller reversal is fine, or maybe a breakout of that resistant area. So US30, you can easily see that where we are now, we can see we actually had a structure there, sort of a support, but the market broke out of that. So I no longer have confidence here. I think we might end up having that sell. So that's not gonna, it's gonna be good because maybe we can just wait for the market to reach this level before we buy. You see, it might not be good if you trade only US30 because you'll have to wait for quite long. But I think along the way, the market will be giving us something because the overall structure, we are still on that nice uptrend. So which means sometimes the market can just reverse anyway. You see this area here. The market acted like it was selling and it reversed, went up again. It might be the same thing here. The market might still go higher. So it doesn't really mean that the market will be forced to go lower like this. So the market might reverse. The reason behind that is we are still on that uptrend. And if maybe CPI is going to go lower, that will actually take out or take off the weight from US30, because it will be clear that they will be cutting the rates maybe with a bigger number, and then that might be a very good thing. We might see the market trying to go even higher, but at the moment I think it's a very good thing for us to wait. We did smash it, by the way. I think it was yesterday or day before that. We did had a very nice trade on US30. So now we are actually on Nasdaq 100. We can see that after the market broke out here, we were expecting the market to go even higher, but it seems like now the market is doing what? The market is now melting. And if it's going to be like that, I'm expecting it to reach this lowest level there. It's possible the market can actually reach that. Maybe you can say, Kenzo, I don't really see nicely. We can go on a 4 hours time frame. So the market is just playing around here. But if maybe we have that sell, I think we can reach this area. If we have that reversal, the market can reach anywhere. I think there are no limitations on that. So we had some buy pending orders. The market has been just playing around. But once we have CPI, I think it will be a very good time for me to update everyone in the group. So if you are not part of the team, just let me know. Just be part of the team. $27, I think, is quite affordable. So also here we are on S&P 500. It seems to be trying to move the same way as Nasdaq, and we know that they are correlating. So the market is trying to actually go down. I think we struggle. I think we see that the market is struggling to go up, but if maybe we reach this level, maybe we might see the market pushing up, or maybe the market might have, because this area, it might be a resistant level. Or if you don't really want to use that, I think even this horizontal one, it still makes sense. If the market goes beyond that, we can look for the buy. If the market goes down, this area might be a very nice buy. But at the end of the day, I think this area, if the market keeps going down, this area will be in a zone where the market might find its support, you see. So let me just mark that area. But I don't think maybe the market will be reaching that level. It's quite lower. I don't think we will reach that zone. So Nvidia tried to recover yesterday, but it was not really enough. But I start to like this because they move quite smooth, even though there are some sort of aggressive. But on EXNESS, you can actually trade them. For those who don't know, you can trade the stocks. I think most brokers, they have that. So EXNESS broker, EXNESS. Check my description. You will find EXNESS link. Then open the account and you can trade. You can trade with 20 rands or 50 rands. You can just buy and forget. They move nicely. I think at the end of the day, we will see a very nice recovery, especially after today, you see. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be Usoil. Usoil has been going down, guys. I have been preaching about the market reaching 63, and it seems like the market was very closer to reaching that. I think the market will end up reaching that level. Do you see that? So the overall structure, it's actually that downtrend structure. You can see that. But what we have here, it was quite aggressive. We did not really have proper structures that we can use. But I did have a sell pending order here, but the market did play around, but at the end of the day, the market did continue to go lower. So I'm still expecting to see the market going a little bit lower, maybe before we see a nice recovery. So for now, I don't really want to make this video very long. For those who wants to be part of the team, just let me know. That it's a very nice special for, or actually a very good offer for everyone. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. Scan that QR code, check my description, you will find my WhatsApp link, then we can talk there. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.